Sorry, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Mama de yo, eh? Mama de yo, Mama de yo, Mama de yo. That's so. Yes, so good afternoon, guys. Just a very short one, guys. How not day, guys? How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are cool. I think be cool. I think guys all the I been cool. I guys all the Sorry, guys. My baby, I don't mind Nasha. Everywhere good. Not my idea. When we never start school, we go start school now by God grace September. We just come back from our appointments now. By the grace of God, we go start school. Eh? Mama de yo. Who name me any Mama de yo? Eh? Mama de yo. Any plans of the enemies, my day of any Jesus Christ. That's so, my people. Please invite and share, comment and like the video. God bless you. Just a very short one. Let me just load the beat. A short one, guys. Let me break it down. That's so, my people. I'm not day. It's everybody. Yes, so my people. Don't make noise, baby. Take it home. Yes, so guys, a short one. I want to talk about something, a relationship. Somehow, you understand, my people. Let me break it down. Especially the men, you know, I'm not against you, any men. I love everybody, but I just want to quickly just talk something because, you know, most times we receive call behind the screen. We'll constantly advise some kind of people because of one or two things. Oh yeah, right. Color the book, okay, baby. Sorry, guys. Yeah, right over here, right, and color and draw your mommy and draw yourself, okay? Yes. So I just want me to distract and small, you know. I got grade September, October. I go start school. We don't go do everything. So bear with me, guys. And then I was trying to talk about relationship. So this person will call me because they tell me within just they pass through all those kinds of things. And she talked to me finish. Me, I not happy the record person. I not happy they do all those things because I don't like her. But if he says person you see the, you know, if person that person saying I like you they talk. Person if they bring everything come out, you understand. So now so that one come pass. So as you they tell me everything about relationship. Though we say they don't break up, but they can they cry. But the thing be say sometimes I ask this question: why some people where I don't know shout? Why some people they cry because of relationship? Me I don't understand. I know say they painful, but it's not enough reason to they cry. Now why give you bar? They will not buy me go there and me bung be wagbona. You understand? And me bung be wagbona. Now my me, I might say what things too many. So you don't need it. You don't need to cry because by cry no go. You know, you not go solve the issue. You understand? So I'm just trying to advise that my friend that called me, please don't cry and be a good person, okay? It is well. So what am I trying to say is there not be anything just got trouble. It just to they do say into be tradition in a traditional person. And that one your cause trouble. So I don't understand. Some of our men. Any small thing I be traditional man. But why we men me understand? Yeah. we boy again have a traditional man. I don't many presenters don't even talk about this issue. You be traditional man, but you'll use the same toilet with your wife or your girlfriend. You be traditional man. Rubber where they say they wash plates. Sorry, where they wash clothes for inside bedroom. Woman they soak pints, put it go wash and go still restart again. You go use and take go bath or rather take go wash one or two things. You be traditional man. Many things. You be traditional man. If you want play with her, make love with her, most of you now must bend down low. I must put head there. Sorry guys, I don't have to be raw like this, but I'm just forced to. I know you want they raw, very raw, but I need to just bring some few things out because the thing the best person. I can't tell this my friend say this person say no cry again, don't do. Now just in me traditional man like your cause troubles problems. So say yes, so not me say you go flat and you go shit into nothing like that. As in just tradition. I say now wow. All those kinds of things not reach to quarrel or to fight put or to separate put. Baby, I'm talking. Oh yeah, low your cartoon, okay? Sorry guys. You understand? Because all these things, not reach for not to they quarrel or they can they separate. Please share the video for me, guys. God bless you for doing so. God bless you. And secondly, before I forget, let me appreciate you all that are joining me, joining my page and subscribing to my YouTube. God will bless you. It will be well with you. You will never lack. As sea never dry, your pockets will never dry. So please, guys, always join and invite people, share to people WhatsApp and Messenger and so that they can join me also. Invite people also so that they can always join and follow my page. My page, the name of my page is Betty Sibo. While my YouTube is Lady B, who is perfect. Guys, who is perfect? No one is perfect, okay? Everybody body, but we are just learning, growing, and we should not forget to support each other as well, so that at least through there we'll learn little bit, you understand? So guys, let me not forget my topic because it's a very short one too. Very soon I'm going to take my kids from school, so I just want to be very brief. So I was not telling this, my friend, please, it's not enough reason for you to be crying or to be, like weighing yourself down because of this issue. I know. Said because they've already done introduction, they are about to do marriage and so on and so forth. And secondly, why she's crying is because she was pregnant. The man even said she should go and remove the baby. That after the wedding or the marriage, before they will now just finally, she will now finally get pregnant. And so I was like, I don't understand. Me not understand this my relationship, but everywhere good sharp. Are you now? You me go ask, are you can't take fee or I can't take the matter? He said no. He don't tire. And I'm making yourself just the thing pain. I've been saying just they invest a lot of things. Also, can you still go give her money? I'll be all those things. Say no, be saying you give her money. He don't invest the time. He don't invest a lot of things to make the relationship work. Blah blah blah. And so everybody, all women they invest. They try to do a lot of things to make their relationship work. So if you can't get this break at low it, baby, please don't do that, okay? Sorry, guys. Carry your cartoon, go that side, I beg. You understand? So I'm gonna say, this guy say, get RCB, go to the room. Go and wash it in the room. I'm gonna say, get RCB. Now you know whether you see they interested or not. I don't feel advice. You say me not they interested. Now your mind because me now woman too. He say no, you don't tire. Why you're tired? Because today now you know that the guy not go school, but now he go they show in a tradition man. In a tradition man, in be love and they love each other. But the way they do say that in a traditionalist, all those kind of things. I cite you, my lady. Please let me to share the video and like the video. God bless you. You understand? So at the end of the day, they can't break up. So she can't here to tell me everything. I can't like they pity for her and they say now wow. This thing, guy, be just take her easy. There is God, it is where God will still help you, God will still provide, So I can say, but the main problem will be say you they complain for her, not be saying go give you my belena or you two you go shit now or one or two things. We just they very, where your big happen. But what your happen just because you're in a tradition man on your power says on wife and I can say now wow, this matter guy be. Where for me, I know if your feet judge 100% because I don't hear from the man. You where I hear from, I understand. Just take things easy. It is where. That's why I want to talk. They say if you see one, say maybe you feel manage up with her. Just manage as he thought, say in a traditional man. Try to manage with him and just like him or love him like that. But if you don't say you not fit, say based on say the way they thought say in a traditional man, say you not fit. You have see, you know, carry your load, still come out as in you still back off away from the relationship. Not be by force. This life, I force someone with me, you know. Just try to do anything that will make you happy. Happiness matters a lot in this life. Yeah, I got the reason and say, okay, she could talk few things. And I got the reason and say, okay, you will be traditional man. If she can't tell me many few things, so be say normally I'm not supposed to just talk a lot, but I would just throw away some. You be traditional man, but they use one bedroom with woman, they use one bucket so they bath together. You be traditional man, a lot of things. You be traditional man, you they bend down low for there, for there, you they move your. You be traditional man, okay, how you can't be the traditional man, and all these traditional man have something, no, I don't understand. Me and Wayaria Duro, I be traditional man, now you they do everything for us. You be my wife, I don't do anything. If we marry a woman or if we get into a relationship, a woman they do everything or those kind of things. Me no understand. Men go they don't like to do anything or you leave the woman. The woman a slave. Your wife or your girlfriend, she's not a slave at least. Your assistant say they do something, you don't mean anything. You understand? Even if you go work, you come back. If you see say she they do things, the whole house get there unkept. You see assistant with love, you know me. Don't be anything, assistant and love, but no. Some will come tell you say they be traditional man, they don't fit do anything. So the essence you go even watch their boss and you do everything because they be traditional man. In short, the topic I go redo it again. You know, many topics where I get on hold where I want to redo. Because I know they too tired not today to call the talk and based on, you know, busy and children and all those stuff, you understand? So by God's grace, I will still redo this topic again. But I just want to throw away advice and encourage some of our people. All those the one that they talk to be traditional man. Who now go they use the same toilet? Who now go they put head for there for bed for their body? Who now go they do many things at the end of the day? Who now go they talk to be traditional man, but who now go they skip some kind of thing now say not be traditional, but who now go they do some kind of thing where traditional man not supposed to do. Now they understand my points. And then they vex me. Now they do some kind of thing where traditional man not supposed to do. But now also not be traditional man. But now can they skip what you not supposed to do? Now come the skipper and I be traditional man, no one do this thing, I not fit to. But now they do unnecessary thing or the one will be say really we not too good as the way not too they necessary for not supposed to do as a traditional man, but now they do all those things. So I just contact the guest say me I not to see any matter for this one issue. But if anything will just make you happy, now you go do. If you dey happy, say you want leave the guy, if you leave her. If you dey happy, say no, you don't feel leave her, say you want cope, you want manage with her. I bet my sister try to manage with her. And so me just go tell her rich. Because they say, because me not hear from the man and you don't judge your own. Me I not hear from the man. Though I understand and I believe you. But I don't know bad boy. And so it be not just from one person. You just to believe everything 100%. Try to see hear from the other side. And I can say this will not be matter. Matter not the one settle. Or rather, just try to cope with the situations. If you love her or you don't want to lose and say, you don't spend or you don't sacrifice a lot of things for the relationship. Try. It will work one day. They pray, sleep back out with prayer, especially prayer. It work. God is saying, but then all the men, most of the men not be all the way they take the guy be. So you be traditional man. It's not good when I change. But what the traditional man not supposed to do now? They do. You be traditional man, why you not carry your own toilet as you do your house or with your wife or with your girlfriend? Why you not see make your own toilet? Maybe for they use your toilet, maybe if not they go the same bedroom where your woman they do. Based on say she dey under a period, she go use the toilet and all those things. She go cook for you with on that period. Many things. In short, we know the story. Many things. If you want really let the way tradition, I don't want to follow this thing. But my question is now Europe they'll constantly do all these things again. We boo. I know we have a tradition. I've been enemy. I want it done for Europe. Where be say Europe here, you must use one toilet with your wife or your girlfriend. Europe here, your wife or your girlfriend must cook for you when she did on that period. Europe here, many things. Many things I not just feel remember right now because right now I don't even want wear my shoe now. Make I go carry my kids from school. So I beg, you wanna try. Mona just, stop that art. Some of them, where they do, where they claim tradition, I be tradition. If you want to do tradition, man, go do it for Africa. Not be Europe here that they do tradition. you know, they talk and say, aware we both fine. It's possible say aware day, me, I don't know. Okay, it's possible walk a little aware, a boy be me, I don't know. But what me know all those things with all the clips, I be traditional man. But if we constantly calculate everything what you they do, some of them you they do, why some you know they do, who you they deceive, who you can't they deceive. And that will be the question. Are they use someone they deceive on themselves? I be traditional man. But when they do what you're not supposed to do, what you're not supposed to do, I'm not go do, and I don't have my destination for the matter. If not getting away, no matter getting away, you be traditional man. Some go say, hey, now so their man, you know, they do this kind of thing, you know, they do this kind of thing, see what you know they do for bed, all those kind of things, because in a traditional man, why some go see complain, the man they do, but see all that is what you know they like to do. So the thing you may or you piri in short, I don't understand. So I just come through with small advice because right now I want to end my live screen right now because I want to go carry my kids. I want to stop all those always they claim tradition. I want to go do a traditional man for Africa. Not be Europe that they do traditional man. I beg you with the name of God. I beg. Huh? For the relationship, your woman tell you say I ain't saying one time and all those things. Make them feel happy. You understand? And another thing again, if anybody wants my own advice, I don't know. If you want, unless the one we don't marry, they're already there inside. If you want a relationship, ask the man first before now we sleep together for bed. Ask him. Yes, this is Monday like 2021. I meet talk. I didn't say my husband. I can't ask me. I'll tell myself that's why I take talk. Yes, this word we they learn every day. The life now teacher. It teaches us every day. Except you are married already with the man for years, you know, day. If you don't even see married self, if you see they ask a question, say, okay, see what you be like, see what you don't like. One day, maybe definitely go change. But whenever you're married at all, whenever you're, you know, one wants to the date, and at the end of the day, I can't see, say, I can't talk first. When you first go out, first go talk. No, just carry. When I just go bed direct. When I first talk, when I understand what you like, what you don't like. You understand? For example, what you like, which food you like, which color of cloth you like party or not, you like to they drink or they smoke, or okay, how you take like them for bed, or okay, I bet if you want friend me, my dear or my love, if you want friend me, I go great for you, but see what they like for bed, you go they do and move. You don't say no, if you don't, your friend tell me now for the beginning, me I don't know. Now so, this is 2021, you guys should wake up. The fact, the truth is very bitter. Everything, the thing don't they cause too much of trouble, stress and problem. Relationship don't they break. Always because of this issue. You understand? I don't want my baby enter the video. You want to enter. You understand? The thing don't they cause many calamities, many problems. Two relationship go there later. The author say they not they again because you not tell me say so in one time. You not tell me say you know they do like this. You not tell me say you know they play like this for bed. You not tell me say na so. You not tell me say you not sabi help woman for us. Many things. Except say you don't marry. No wahala. If I never marry, whenever I start to the dates, I beg now advice, and it's very vital. This advice is very vital. Man, not use joke. I say look at, why not look and say person don't want to talk? No, in every nonsense there is always a sense. In every message, in every mess there is a message inside. Please, my people. Okay, traditional man. If una one friend man or una one day into relationship, before the man go start to sleep with you, now wanna still go somewhere like bar or somewhere like a coffee bar or all those kind of things, or a place to sit down, have a drink or have a cup of tea or whatever. Una sit down now they talk. As when they talk about differences. Why not just say, okay, I want to come today, come see you. You join tab, but I'm not talking. You cook, eat, drink. No, talk first with your man. Talk first with your woman before you start making love, please. Is very 100% vital and necessary, because the thing they break a lot of relationship. At least if you tell her for the beginning, for the day one, say okay, for example, you want friend me, I go agree for you, no wahala, but see the way I take like her, see the way I want me to help me for us, see the way I will not want me to do, see the way I want this one, see the way I don't want this one, see the way I want her for bed, see the way I don't want her for bed. He go understand. Once he understand, he go sit there, he say okay, no problem. The truth be say this one he talks twice, I be doing. Or this one he talks, I don't sabi do, I'm not good at that, so better go try. So you can't know for your mind, say, as I want inside this relationship, so he don't already tell me, say, you know, they good for this kind, for this side, though. Maybe, for example, you know, they good for bedside, to they do the, another foreplay or all those kind of things. You know, good for that one, or for example, you know, good to the help for house, so they do housework, or for example, again, you know, good for, so they go party, or, you know, like party, or so maybe they don't like party. So, you know, that is example of what I'm trying to say. You understand me, my people? Muna they try, they look where, they think and where. Don't you rush into the relationship. Ask question. Ask the man. Ask the woman. Muna fair talk. If now just go bed. Why not you go bed, Maka? You know, muna fair talk. You know me, for example, when I see today, you told start today. When I book appointment start tomorrow, muna fair talk first. Then if next tomorrow, na one can do na feed na kon sabi no be me girl na bekus for na cassava for na. But before na just enter, they do the vaga. Muna fair ask question. Muna fair talk, exchange words. Tell una self what una like, what una not like. It's very important. At least if you are doing kind thing, the person, your partner go still learn, say, he tell me the beginning, say he like this thing. So you not complain again, from they quarrel later, you know to complain again. And you too, you feel fire and say, come, I not fair tell you. I not fair tell you when we start, say I don't like now. This thing I like. I not fair tell you before we start to make love, say now. So I tell you one time. I not tell yes or no. You go feel swear, say I not tell you. Really? Based on say you tell her, you not go feel swear. Based on say you tell and say yes, see what you like, see what you not like, you not go feel swear again. From now on the quarrel. Because relationship quarrel must come. You understand me, my people? So now yeah, I want to quickly talk my this thing, my advice reach right now, because I gotta go and pick my kids, okay, people? So just try to rewatch the video, share the video, and like this video, and give us a thumbs up also. Please comment below. Your comments too go see help me. I mean, I go see get point for your comments. With the help each other, help me, I help you. That's how we be. Let's support each other. Me, I not tell that say I be the best. I mean, no, I pass. No, just let's support each other. You comment and like the video. I will still learn from your comments too. And the way I'm talking now, you too can still learn and pick one word inside. Please, guys, don't forget to share and like this video. Comment below, and God bless you. And always follow this page. And please share this page to people so that they will also come and, they will also be following me and be hearing from me as well. So that we'll learn together, we'll support each other together, because nobody is perfect. So please, those one that are saying tradition, try and go Africa and go and just be, learning your, practicing your tradition over there in Nigeria, not here in Europe, because Europe is by diaspora, by you cannot say I be traditional man. I met it by get why? Because a lot of things they will not feel complete. I mean, you cannot be saying you are a traditional man, be using the same toilet, the same bedroom with your wife or your girlfriend. When she come the misery to go, Muna help me answer the question. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye. Share the video and like this video. Give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.